How to get $100 Walmart promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Walmart promo codes and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. All these websites will provide you promo codes for Walmart. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I will be opening this one, Los Angeles. After you open it, you're gonna find great deals and offers. You can just scroll down and check. You can head towards the offer that you are interested in. All you have to do is click on this option of view coupon. So I have selected $20 off, and here is the promo code. Now you can copy it. Make sure you check the expiration date of the promo code. Click on this option of show more. You will find the details of the promo code. After you check if the code is valid or not, you can head back. Now you can head towards the website of Walmart, log into your account, make your purchase, and whenever you check out, you can apply this code and get the discount. If you want to redeem this code right away, click on this option, visit Walmart. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Walmart. Now you can log into your account, select the items for purchase, and whenever you check out, apply this code and get the discount. Also, you can give a try to these offers. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can get up to $100 Walmart promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.